Okay, just a little quick update on 4 little engines that I started a little bit, well, about a week ago. I decided that I was going to make 4 little Blazer engines, and this is where I'm at on them. I haven't spent a whole lot of time out here, but I got the bases done. There's one floating around here. Oh, it's sitting over here. I don't have the cylinder done yet for that one, but I have the cylinders roughed out. The grooving tool that I'm using for that, I decided to, I was always using, for the other engines I built, I always used a part-off tool. Well, I decided I'm going to make a grooving tool just for that, so I went ahead and grabbed a piece of tool steel, and I went over to the mill, cut it to the thickness that I want for the spacing, and I cut it all at an angle too. I cut the front down at an angle, and then I went in and I relieved everything except for the very top. I think I went down like 7 thousandths, and went ahead and I heat treated it. I didn't draw it back at all. It's whatever the Rockwell that it went to. I'm guessing it'd be right around 60, 55 to 60 Rockwell. But anyway, once I had this all heat treated and everything, I took a stone, and just to relieve this edge back, I just laid it on there flat, so now it's hitting here and up here, and I stoned it. And now this tool is just made just for cutting these grooves. So anyway, when I groove the next cylinder, I'll probably video it. Okay, I'm going to go over the lathe and cut some bits with this. I'm going to set you down here right on the behind the tool post here. I gotta move the camera to lock it. Alright, now you can sit there. See if I can get you down here looking at the tool. Actually seeing the tool. Alright, you can kind of see the tool. And then make sure that, so we're going to come up here and we're going to touch edge. I'm going to touch off on that. I'm going to set my travel off to 0 here, and the first one is over 250. So I'm going to back out and back out of there and go over 250. 100, 250, right there. And now I know the depth of the fin is 125 on the side, so it's 250 on the diameter. So we'll go in and touch off. Right there. We'll 0 it. And then we'll crank her in 250. 100, 250. Crank out over 125. 125. Again. 100, 250. I didn't like that though. 1, 2, 50. Lost my readings here. I got confused here. Alright. 125. I went 250. I'm going to dab a little oil on that. Actually, I'm going going to kick up the RPM a little bit. I am running, right now I'm running at 800. I'm going to kick it up to, oops, sorry, I banged the, let's kick it up to 1,000. There we go. Cut. 100. 200. 50. 125. 125. 250. 100. 200. 50, 125, 125, 250, 100, 200, 50, 125, 250, or yeah. 100, 200, 50. See, I'm supposed to have 8 fins. What do I got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got a ways to go yet. 125. 125. Oh, shoot. Come on. Wrapped it up here. That's the part I don't like about, I like cutting fins though, it's something about it that's actually kind of fun. Alright. 250. 100. 200. 50. 125. 125, 250, 100, 200, 50. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. This is the last one. 125. 125. 250. 100. 200. 50. And that should do it. That tool actually cuts pretty darn nice. And all it is just a piece of scrap tool steel that I salvaged and went on the mill and cut it up and heat treated it. I also made a radiusing tool for cutting radiuses on the tops of the crowns of the. Let's set up and do that next here. Set you back down here. You can watch that too. That I don't go wide open like that. You know, I don't go that many RPM. Just kind of pushing it a little bit for a full radius. Back up here. Ooh, yeah. Get my tool in there. All right. Get you situated here, you kind of see it right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here. I'm going to try cutting it at 1,000. I've been slowing it down for this cut, and I'm going to try it at 1,000. So what I do is I get over it and I just rock the carriage back and forth to let it center, and I've just been watching it until it cleans up. And each one of these is 125. So I set my travel all again. back it out, and here we go. And I just crank it in until it cleans up all the way to the center. Like that, and 125. Do it again. And actually cuts pretty good there too. Like that RPM. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. That'll do her. It actually cut pretty good. Like I say, I did the same thing here. I just cut up a piece of tool steel. It's just a piece of scrap. I clamped it over here in the mill. Matter of fact, the mill's got the little end mill in there yet. I set it at an angle like that, faced off the end, and then plunged, and then cut the width of what I want, and then put the radius in there, heat treated it, and then just stoned it a little bit. So anyway, it actually cuts pretty good. Now it's just basic bore the cylinder and then part it off. So that I'm not going to video. So but when I start cutting fins, or cutting the fins on the end, maybe I'll come back and video that. So anyway, that's what's going on. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later.